Hello, and welcome to this video about installing Unreal Engine. The process is simple, so this will be a short video. First, we need to go to Unreal Engine's web page. And here, you just need to create or sign in to your Epic Games account. Once you are signed in, you just need to click on the download button. Now, you just have to choose a license. If you're learning, you can choose either of them. If you're making a game that you will monetize somehow, then be sure to choose the publishing license. The way this license works is that you will not need to pay anything after you earn your first $1 million of gross revenue. But after your product succeeds, then you will need to pay a 5% royalty to Epic Games. The other license you can choose is the creator's license. With this license, you don't need to pay any royalties. This license is mostly used by professionals and projects that are outside of the gaming industry. In this case, because I'm a game developer, I will choose the publishing license. Now, we just need to save the executable so we can install the Epic Games launcher. After the file is downloaded, we just need to run it and go through the steps. Now we need to log in with our Epic Games account. With the launcher installed, we just need to click on Install Engine or click on the Library tab if we want to select another version of Unreal Engine. I'll select the last one and click Install. Now choose an install location and click Install again. Now that the engine is installed, you can launch it and create projects. Another thing that is useful to know is that you don't have to open the launcher every time you want to open a project. You can go to the folder of the project and find the .uproject file and double click it. Here in the Unreal Project browser, you will find a lot of templates that can help you with development. And this is everything you need to know to install Unreal Engine and start making awesome stuff. See you next time.